Bluehost review, pricing and product features. If you're thinking about establishing an online presence, whether for personal or business reasons, but feel like you don't know where to start, or think you lack the skill set and knowledge, then Bluehost is the solution you're looking for. Bluehost is currently known to be the most popular web hosting service, and has also been included in various tech reviews as one of the best web hosting services available in the current tech landscape, and rightfully so. This is true because Bluehost not only offers some of the most advanced features for people who use WordPress as their content management system, they are also set up to ensure that their users, regardless of tech knowledge, can easily navigate and utilize their service. All in one stop. As advertised, Bluehost isn't just a website hosting service. It is that and so much more. It offers a complete, all-in-one experience from registering your domain name, all the way up to managing your web page with ease. Not only that, if you're already a WordPress user, Bluehost offers full integration, which makes designing, editing, and managing a stress-free veritable walk in the park. Inclusivity in service. With Bluehost, anyone who wants to build a website, whether they're beginners or seasoned site designers, will find the hosting service user-friendly and inclusive. Everything is laid out with the user's ease of experience in mind. Additionally, designing your website has never been this easy, with hundreds of page templates that cover a wide variety of themes and tools that allow you true designing freedom. Bluehost pros and cons. The reasons why Bluehost is one of the best and most popular web hosting services are plenty. Ease of use. Excellent back-end security. 24/7 across-the-board customer support. High-performance servers with a 99% uptime efficiency. Total scalability and design freedom. Affordable and comprehensive pricing options. These are also the reasons why the cons, such as the lack of an uptime guarantee for one, is almost negligible. Bluehost's overall performance certainly outweighs the shortcomings. As it is, Bluehost remains on the top of their game despite not offering free site migration, which is quite a feature, especially for those wanting to seamlessly switch to a new provider. However, despite all that, Bluehost continues to dominate the web hosting landscape in so many ways, and for the longest time. Pricing options. Bluehost has quite a few pricing options which can cater to whatever hosting needs you have. Currently they have shared hosting, online store, and managed WordPress, all of which have the precise tools and services needed in each option. Under the shared hosting plan, you can choose from Basic, Plus, Choice, Plus and Pro. For the online store category, they have the standard and the premium options, and under their managed WordPress, they offer the build, grow, and scale options. But the best thing about Bluehost is that all their pricing plans include a free domain for a whole year, access to a wide range of custom themes, and their extensive 24/7 customer support. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.